Hey everybody, welcome to Learning at Home with Mrs. V. So today we're going to do some reminders about multiplying larger numbers times a one-digit number. So I noticed that when the numbers get a little bit bigger, there's a little bit more confusion with you all. So I want to go back and I want to review this and show you the two different ways that you can write these out. Okay, so there's the traditional way, which we'll start with, and then we'll do the partial product way. All right, so to begin with, first of all, you have to know your basic facts. Also, if you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you need to go get that and have that in front of you and work with me. Okay, so we're practicing, we're doing this together. So we've got 8 times 6, which is 48. So we bring the 4 up, and remember this is the addition zone, and bring the 8 down here. There's the 48. Then we have 8 times 7, which is 56, plus 4 more, which is 60. And then we have 8 times 3, which is 24, plus 6, which is 30. And so there's the answer, 3008. So how do we do this the partial product way? So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this down here. And the partial product way, we would do the 8 times 6, which is 48. Then we would do the 8 times 70. This is not a 7, this is in the tens place. When you have 7 tens, you have 70. So 8 times 70, which is 560. And then we have 8 times 300. Remember, this is why we did the expanded form. We've got the ones, we've got the tens, we've got the hundreds. So we have 8 times 300, which is 2400. Now we're in the addition zone, just like we were in the addition zone up here. So we have 8, we have 10, we have 4 plus 5 plus 1, which is 10, and then we have 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is 3. So we get the same result, we just have two different ways that we can do it. So you can choose the traditional or the partial product, all right? Now, let's go on to another one, 429 times 4. So we'll start off again with the traditional way to do the multiplication. So we have 4 times 9, which is 36. Then we have 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 3 more, which is 11. 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 1 more, which is 17. Now we can try it the partial product way. All right, so I'm writing this out a second time. And this time, everything is times 4. So we've got 4 times 9, which is 36. And then we have 4 times 2 tens, which is 20, which gives me 80. 4 times 400, which is 1600. And then we add it up. We've got 6, we've got 11, we've got 700, we've got 1000. So again, we have the same result, two different strategies. All right, 687 times 9. So again, we'll start with the traditional. 9 times 7, which is 63. 9 times 8, which is 72, plus 6 more, which is 78. 9 times 6, which is 54. 54 plus 6, I know this is 7, but 54 plus 6, which would give me 60, and then 1 more, which would be 61. All right, the last way to do this is the partial product way. Again, we have 9 times everything. So we have 9 times 7, which is 63. Now we have 9 times 80, which is 720. 9 times 600, which is 5,400. Then we add this up. We've got 3, we've got 8, we've got 11, and we have 6. So again, we got the same result, just a different strategy. All right? So I want you to practice this technique, or choose the strategy that you like best. And I want you to practice that. I'm going to give you 10 problems to practice multiplying larger numbers. And I want you to go back and make sure that you're checking. You can check it with the other strategy, or you can check it just again, do it a second time on your paper and make sure that you got the right answer. All right? I want you to keep watching, keep thinking, always stay curious, and I'll see you next time.